Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome to Bible 365, Bible Stories and Prayers, where we read one Bible story a day for one whole year. And yesterday, we were talking about reading about the three visitors, Genesis 18, 1 through 10, which were about Abraham, how he had to fetch water, prepare food, and that in 9 months they would have a baby son. So today we're reading Isaac is born, Genesis 21, 1 through 7. Even though Abraham and Sarah knew that God had promised them a child, they found it hard to believe that something so wonderful could happen. But sure enough, after 9 months, God's promise came true, and Sarah gave birth to a beautiful baby boy. Abraham and Sarah were filled with joy. They had longed for a child for so many years. Abraham said, "We shall call him Isaac," which means he laughs. It will remind us of the happiness we feel. Every day, Abraham and Sarah watched Isaac grow, and he crawled around the tent, laughing and playing. "One day, he will become a fine young man," said his mother proudly. Abraham remembered what God had told him many years before, that his children would form the beginnings of a great nation. With the birth of Isaac, he knew that this would come true. And that, boys and girls, is the lesson for today. Now, what did you learn?
Okay. This time he got baby.
Baby Isaac.
Baby Isaac. Okay. And this he got family.
Yes, that's Isaac's dad and his mom.
Well,
Sarah and Abraham.
He's little baby. He will.
We're going to talk about this.
Okay.
All right. And now, tomorrow or the next time, we will be speaking on or reading from Lot
Fire
is rescued from Sodom, Genesis 18, 17 through 22. And after that, the next one will be Lot's wife looks back, Genesis 19, 23 through 29. I hope you guys enjoyed this reading for today. Have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you in my next one.